you? I'm traveled to Japan and today I'm here. This is a beautiful place, but you have to continue with your activities. And so open your book, please. This is the vocabulary of today. It refers to keywords. Okay, repeat after me and practice. Kid. Kid is a person. Can be a boy or a girl. Kid. Regular in this case, regular is referred to regular verbs like play. Simple past. The simple past is a tense in the past. For example, walk, walked.
It's necessary to talk about the verbs in past tense and the rules about these verbs. You have regular and irregular verbs in the past tense. But regular, now we're going to talk about regular verbs and the rules. And the first is base form plus ed. The verb, for example, the verb play plus ed, played. Okay, is in past. If you add ed, the verb is in past. Verbs ending in e plus ed. If the verb ending with the letter E, you have to add only the letter D, like, liked, move, moved. Verbs ending in a consonant plus Y. If the verb finish or ending with the letter Y, you have to change the letter Y and write the letter I. For example, carry, you have to change the letter Y, the letter in blue color, and write the letter Y. The letter Y, change, and write the letter I plus ed. Like carry, carried, and study, studied. And the last one, some verbs ending in a single consonant plus the second last letter is a vowel. Double the last letter plus ed. In this case, the verb plan. We have the verb plan. So, ending with a consonant, and we have a single consonant plus the second last letter is a vowel. We have a consonant, vowel, and consonant. So you have to double the last letter. For example, double write double N or double P. And then write the letter ed, and it's in past. In past tense, we have irregular verbs. And this verb change completely, like go in past is went, do in past is did, say said, see saw. Okay, and you have other verbs. If you want, you can look in the internet, on the internet, or in a dictionary. Let's continue with our book, part 4, How Can We Be Good Citizens? Page 64 and 65. First page, 64, activity. You have the activity number 1, 2, and 3. The first activity is about a reading. Listen to the following dialogue, read aloud, and notice the underlined verbs. Here you have to underline. This is an activity in the first activity, and you have to underline with the yellow color all the verbs in past. Okay, you have to underline and color with yellow. Activity number 2, what do the underlining words have in common? Write your answer below. You have to check the verbs, the similar things that have the verbs. For example, the ending, the ed, or the letter d, or something like that. Activity number 3, in this case you have to work alone and complete sentences with the words from the box. You have the verbs, different verbs in past, 4 verbs, and 4 sentences. Use the verbs in the box to complete the 4 sentences. Use the instruction or the explanation about verbs in past in this video. In this page 65, you have to complete only the activity number 4. Was you have to you have different verbs in past, and check the verbs with the ending ed, and you have was and were that are irregular verbs. If you can see the explanation again about verb in past tense. Okay, you have different verbs, and complete the text with the word from the box. If you want, you can look the verbs in a dictionary or on internet to know the meaning of these verbs.
Dear students, it's all for today, and see you tomorrow. I'm going to talk with them. Bye.
I never met